Hello, my name is Lauren Izzo, and we are on record. The Hermes 900 UAS has successfully completed a series of flight demonstrations for the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency in the UK. The demonstration was designed to test the Elbit Systems' drone search and rescue capabilities and the use of long-range unmanned capabilities in civilian airspace.
One of the challenges that we've managed to overcome in partnership with agencies such as the Civil Aviation Authority is the necessary approvals to operate a UAV in civil airspace.
The Hermes 900 performed beyond line-of-sight missions into unsegregated and uncontrolled airspace, in full alignment with the UK Civil Aviation Authority.
We're particularly pleased to be working in partnership with Elbit and the Civil Aviation Authority to help develop this project as we move forward, and really help develop the thinking in the UK, not only for the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency, but our partner organisations as well.
Lockheed Martin has selected Cyclone, a subsidiary of Elbit Systems, to supply additional structural assemblies for the F-35 aircraft. The contract calls for the company to supply assemblies for the fighter jet's forward equipment bay, made from composite materials. The latest deal isn't Elbit Systems' first contribution to the F-35. The company has previously developed and supplied helmet-mounted display systems for the aircraft, has been selected to develop a panoramic cockpit display, deliver power amplifiers, and is already manufacturing and supplying more than 20 different structural assemblies. Another contract win, the United States Marine Corps has decided to go with Elbit Systems of America's integrated clip-on advanced targeting sight solution. The system has been optimized for the U.S. Marine Corps' scout snipers and reconnaissance Marines, so they can acquire targets and engage at extended ranges. Elbit Systems recently delivered its 1,500th display unit for the Boeing V-22 Osprey, marking the occasion with a ceremony at an avionics production line. 4 of the slim multifunction display units equip each V-22 aircraft. The display is a 6x6-inch digital system of flight information meant to reduce pilot workload and provide enhanced safety. It's part of a wider avionics suite developed for Boeing by Elbit Systems and includes head-mounted display systems, mission and display computers, and a digital map application. Well, ahead of the Jewish high holidays, Elbit Systems employees packed and distributed thousands of supermarket essentials for families who need it the most. The annual operation was held in collaboration with several nonprofit organizations. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.